Local news for Thursday, the 21st of May. While real estate sales were all but halted during lockdown, the appetite for property has certainly returned in alert level 2. Despite the lockdown, though, 5 properties were sold in April and the first half of May in South Wairarapa, and 17 were sold in Masterton, a new build and 2 sections included. The government will provide $500,000 to the Hawke's Bay Mayoral Drought Relief Fund to help farmers facing one of the worst droughts in living memory. Agriculture Minister Damien O'Connor says there's a lot of heartwarming cases of farmers helping each other through community-driven feeds, such as the donation of hay transported from Wairarapa to Hawke's Bay last weekend. The deadline is looming for dairy farmers to have their say on the milk solids levy vote, which closes on May 30th. And installation of water meters in Masterton is progressing well. Up to 6 city care workers are prioritising installing meters on the boundaries of properties. Charging using water meters will not begin until July next year and the start of the 2021-22 financial year. The details of the water charges will be determined after a consultation with the community on revenue and financing later this year. Kia ora. For local news, I'm Brent Gare.